And welcome back to Dual YouTubers.
I'm Roy.
And I'm Carson. Today, fidget spinners.
Fidget spinners. The spinner that you use when you want to fidget.
Also doubles as a saw. Sometimes. When one side is sharp, but then if you get both sides sharp, that would hurt. Because then
It would be a fidget ninja star.
Fidget Ninja Star.
Patented by Dual YouTubers.
Is this annoying to you, Roy?
No, I'm just thinking how some jerk actually has probably made a fidget ninja star at some point in their life.
Some jerk?
Yeah, because you know that he's probably going around throwing it at people.
Spinning it up with one of those compressed airs and then just chucking it.
He's like a finja.
A finger ninja?
No, a fidget ninja.
I can kill you with one finger!
You will get killed if you keep using that one finger. Don't make me come over there.
I'm over here. It's not that far.
I'm just not that into hitting you right now.
You aren't?
No, but remember, I did knock you into next week once. I can do it again. I think
So,
it's time for my first sip of coffee for this episode. It feels like for this week, too. So what? You having fun with your I'm about to call it a ninja spinner. You'll never see it coming.
You'll never see it coming. Like one of those what's the movie where the guy, like the weird people, like get super not powers, like, and then that guy with the
Mighty Morphing Power Rangers?
No, it'll be right there. The movie name. If you get it in the comments before it's right there, you get points. We're gonna have a point system.
You win his fidget spinner.
No, I'm not giving away my fidget spinner.
Drat.
Friend gave it to me.
Oh yeah, he was a great friend. Here,
Oh my
you
gosh.
want one too.
The joke.
Take it.
What kind of idiot would give Carson a fidget spinner?
I don't know. It's like cocaine it is.
Oh yeah. Kids,
Don't do
drugs.
cocaine.
Cocaine. Don't do cocaine.
Or fidget spinners.
Don't do fidget spinners. Ah.
So, what you don't realize is that one of those bearings just went right up his nose and into his brain.
Choke.
So, your friend gave you the fidget spinner.
Yeah.
Do they want to be known, or they just said, first one's free, next one you gotta pay for.
First one's free.
I must have another fidget spinner. I have 2 hands and 2 feet. My toes.
You need to go see a specialist, Roy.
My toes
Please,
aren't that dexterous.
If you're
but-
an addiction specialist, please comment down below. We have a serious problem with Roy. You gonna be okay, Roy?
No. I'm not gonna be okay.
And welcome back.
So, we don't have a skit or anything about fidget spinners.
Catch. That was pathetic. I was wanting you to do like a sort of this thing, and then it just didn't work out, and you're gonna kill somebody with that.
I think we just killed one of the audience members.
Please, if you're not alright, dial 911 for immediate assistance in America. In Canada, the number will be here. In Mexico, I don't think you have a number, so good luck to you.
In the UK,
And,
it's 999.
Yeah.
What?
What? Why? What?
Because it must be a magic fidget spinner.
And welcome
Welcome back.
back. So we just got finished giving the emergency numbers in
Okay.
a few continents, but I guess actually the viewer was okay because they weren't paying much attention. So,
Alright.
did you say you have a joke?
I have a joke. So, it's a short joke, but I'll still say it. Alright, I was in class when my classmate says that you are who you hang out with. And I said, I must be a hot chick.
Yeah.
I hang out with very attractive women often.
Okay.
So either that or a geek. Because I computer game. So,
Yeah, that's right.
hot chick or geek?
Hot geek chick.
Hot geek chick?
I guess so. You see them all over the internet. At least they claim to be.
Well, I identify as an attack helicopter, so...
Oh, your other kin?
No, that's other, like, mythical creatures and stuff. I'm an attack helicopter, so, like, my sexual orientation can destroy yours. Like, just eradicate it. I have nukes. Thank you. So you're a man, right, Roy?
Usually.
Alright, well, I'm an attack helicopter. Attack helicopter wins, you die. Have fun.
Man is in control of attack helicopter.
Woman inherits the earth.
I fly myself. That sounds really wrong. Kids, if you're flying yourself, you probably need to go to a therapist, like, right now. Like, tell your mother and go out the door and
well,
don't come back until you're mentally okay. And
welcome back.
You can't just cut me off mid
Oh, yes,
no,
I
you
can.
can't. No. Because I'll just keep talking.
See, there are funny places, there are dark places, and then there are
Where you
really
were.
uncomfortable places where you were.
You were uncomfortable? Would it make you feel better
I
if you
was
were holding
being
the fidget spinner?
uncomfortable for
Would
our
it make you feel
viewers.
better if you were holding the finish spinner? The finish spinner? The finish
Are
spinner.
you sure it's not Norwegian?
The finish spinner. This is wrong.
It does kind of make me feel a little bit better. Oof.
You missed.
And welcome back.
You can't do that.
Why not? I
And
just did.
welcome back.
What? Are we going back to the 90s?
We're gang now.
We're gang?
Yeah, we all snap together.
I thought that was musical. What is this,
You're
West
snapping
Side
on
Story?
the ands. You can't snap on the ands. You snap on the 1-2s.
I was snapping on the 3s. Only the music that I have in my own head.
You're done. You're done.
I know that, but who are you to tell me?
Luke, I am your father. My voice just died again. I'm so sorry. So sorry.
And I think on that note, we'll just go ahead and leave you because, I don't know, fidget spinners, I think the subject's done, right?
Okay.
You hold spinner, you spin spinner.
You
You-
are a spinner. You are one with the spinner. May the spinner be with you.
Anything else?
Do you have any other cheesy catchphrases that you want to go?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I would like to, but I don't.
But that's all, folks. And welcome back.
What?
And goodbye. Like, comment, share, and subscribe! From Karsten!
And Roy.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. It's time to say goodbye. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. 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 It's time to say goodbye. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Time to say goodbye. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
I thought we killed that song.
I thought we did too, but I just remembered it.
The zombie song now. It came back from the dead. It's a zombie song. The fidget spinner did it. It's evil.
It's an evil fidget spinner.
It-
You didn't see that coming, Roy? Ah!
Alright, careful.
Careful.
Yeah.
Did I hurt you, Roy? You'll bring it above the table? After
Oh, it'll be such a grand reveal.
I want to be so good.
Fidget.
And welcome back to Dual
Can we try that
YouTubers.
again?
And I'm Karsten. Today, we're talking about fidget spinners. Blooper. Take 2. Boing, 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 boing.
But was that a piece of your brain, or was that the fidget spinner
You will
piece?
never know. From Karsten.
Right at the moment, I feel quite
And
useless.
Roy.
And Roy. Until
Like,
next time.
comment, subscribe,
And
share. We'll see you in the next video. Can we redo that ending?
Absolutely.
Okay.